We share this planet with creatures of all shapes and sizes. While the wilderness can be a beautiful and awe-inspiring place, it's important to remember that we are visitors in the animal kingdom. Deadly animal attacks, while tragic, are actually quite rare. Most animals are more afraid of us than we are of them and will avoid contact if possible. Understanding animal behavior is key to staying safe. Observe from a distance, never approach or feed wild animals, and always be aware of your surroundings. And remember, we are guests in their home. By respecting their space and understanding their behavior, we can minimize the risk of dangerous encounters. It's all about coexisting peacefully and appreciating these magnificent creatures from afar. Sharks are apex predators, essential to the ocean's ecosystem. While attacks can happen, they are relatively infrequent. If you find yourself facing a shark, the key is to remain calm. Frantic movements mimic the behavior of prey, potentially triggering an attack. Try to maintain eye contact with the shark as you slowly and deliberately move away. Should a shark become aggressive, aim for its most vulnerable areas, the eyes and gills. A well-placed strike to these sensitive spots can deter an attack. Remember, the ocean is a shark's domain. By respecting their space and knowing how to react calmly and defensively, we can safely share these waters. Elephants and rhinoceroses are herbivores, but their immense size and power make them a force to be reckoned with. These magnificent creatures roam the savannas and forests, playing a crucial role in their ecosystems. When encountering these giants, pay close attention to their body language. Understanding their signals can be the difference between a safe experience and a dangerous one. An elephant with a curled trunk and pinned back ears is signaling aggression. This is a clear warning to keep your distance. If an elephant charges, run in a zigzag pattern and try to put a large obstacle, like a rock or a fallen tree, between you and the animal. This can help confuse the elephant and give you a better chance to escape. Rhinos have poor eyesight, but a keen sense of smell. They rely heavily on their sense of smell to detect threats and navigate their environment. If you encounter a rhino, stand your ground and make yourself appear large by raising your arms. This can make you seem more intimidating and less of a threat. Make loud noises to scare it away. Clapping your hands or shouting can startle the rhino and encourage it to move away. Remember, these majestic creatures deserve our respect. They are vital to the health of their habitats and should be treated with care. By observing their behavior and reacting appropriately, we can coexist safely with them. Respecting their space and understanding their needs is key to a harmonious relationship. Section 4. Outsmarting predators, lions, crocodiles and bears. Lions, crocodiles and bears are apex predators at the top of their respective food chains. Each of these animals has unique behaviors and strategies for hunting, making them formidable opponents in the wild. Understanding their behavior is crucial to surviving an encounter. By studying their habits and knowing what to expect, you can increase your chances of staying safe. When facing a lion, maintain eye contact. This shows the lion that you are aware of its presence and are not an easy target. Never turn your back or run, as this triggers their predatory instincts. Running can make you appear as prey, prompting the lion to chase. Make yourself appear larger by raising your arms and making loud noises. This can intimidate the lion and make it think twice about attacking. A confident demeanor can sometimes deter an attack. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are stealthy hunters that rely on the element of surprise. If you're in crocodile territory, be extra cautious near water. Always be aware of your surroundings and avoid getting too close to the water's edge. If a crocodile attacks, fight back with everything you have. Use any available tools or objects to defend yourself. Aim for its eyes and snout, which are the most sensitive areas. This can cause the crocodile to release its grip and give you a chance to escape. Bears, while not always aggressive, can be dangerous if they feel threatened. It's important to remain calm and avoid sudden movements. If you encounter a bear, slowly back away while talking in a calm voice. This can help to reassure the bear that you are not a threat. If attacked, play dead, curling into a ball and protecting your head and neck. This can make the bear lose interest and leave you alone. Section 5. The buzz on surviving smaller threats. While large predators often dominate discussions about animal encounters, it's important not to underestimate smaller threats. These smaller creatures can be just as dangerous if not handled properly. Jellyfish stings, though painful, can be treated by rinsing the affected area with vinegar or salt water. This helps neutralize the toxins and provides some relief. Never use fresh water as it can worsen the sting. Fresh water can cause the stinging cells to release more venom, increasing the pain. Snakes, often feared, play a vital role in the ecosystem. They help control pest populations and maintain balance in nature. Most snake species are not venomous, and even those that are rarely attack unless provoked. It's important to give them space and respect their habitat. Bees and wasps can be a nuisance, but their stings are usually just a painful annoyance. However, for those allergic, it can be more serious. If you're near a hive, move slowly and avoid making sudden movements. This reduces the chance of provoking them. Remember, even small creatures deserve our respect. They are an essential part of our ecosystem and contribute to its health. Understanding their behavior and knowing how to react to stings and bites can prevent minor incidents from becoming major problems. Being prepared and informed is key to safely enjoying nature.